This is Mike's Mine. We are in Kentucky. We're under a flood advisory. I figure I would show you all what Carrollton looks like and some other places. This is the park by the Blue Bridge in Carrollton. I'm sorry, my truck had to go around. Here's another spot by the, I guess you call it the skate park here in Carrollton. Alright, that there where the light used to be a parking lot. Now it is a part of the Ohio River. Okay, this is usually a farm field, like almost as far as you can see. And as you can see, excuse me, it is part of the Ohio River now. At Black Barn, that was, the river was, I don't know, a couple hundred yards on the other side of it. And as you can see, the river is up very much. It's almost to the road. So, okay, so that concludes the flooding here in Carroll County. That was just some roads, because the other roads have been closed due to water. So your action reporter on Mike's Mind. There you go, people go, for the ones that can't get out and they're stuck at home and figured to watch this. Alright, y'all have a good one.